Awesome. Awesome. Okay, let's unbox an unknown. See what's in this box, guys. We got unknown, box and unknown. You guys want to start guessing?
Well,
Start guessing.
Do you know what it is?
I do. I can't.
It's small.
It's tiny. It's tiny.
Don't be disguised by the box.
Yeah, do not be. I'm going to open this.
Do not be disguised by the box that we got. There's still Amy and Jamie with some frocks.
From the block.
Oh, I knew it was something.
Don't be fooled by the box that we got. We're still Amy and Jamie from the block. Okay.
Oh, you showed,
I did show a little bit of what it was.
a little bit of it.
Okay.
Kitchen cup, disguise.
It's a bottle.
It's a juice pack, fruit cup. It's a little bottle of something.
It's a little bottle of something.
Let me know what it is. Is there a thing in here?
Here.
I don't know what it is. I still don't know what that is.
I know what it is.
Well, then you look at the things that are people suggesting. Perfume, beauty stuff.
It is not essential oil.
Scalp oil? Is it?
It is not scalp oil. But close. It's nope, not that. Face stuff. Yes, it is face stuff. Face serum. Coral Roses got face serum.
Face serum.
Yes,
Congratulations, Coral Roses.
It is a face serum, and it is specifically because it's a lot to guess. But it's Swiss apple stem cell 3000 from Swissbotany.
Ooh, Swissbotany.
I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't.
Beard oil. That was a good guess, Logan.
Beard oil is a really good guess.
I got offered some beard oil. I'm like,
it's from Swissbotany. Let's see who got that.
Swissbotany.
Coral Roses.
Swissbotany. Swissbotany. And this is the Swiss Apple Stem Cell 3000 Anti-Aging and Skin Repair.
Awesome.
To see, oh,
yeah,
Swiss
Loki got it.
Loki,
right
congratulations,
away.
Loki.
Jimmy got it.
Loki and
it.
Jimmy. Congratulations, folks. Nice
Loki
work.
got it. Jimmy got it.
Nice work. Nice work.
Awesome job.
And Coral Roses
and
came
Coral
in close.
Roses.
Oh, and GMG. You guys
and
all
GMG.
found it.
That was fast. Loki, Jimmy.
Loki,
GMG.
GMG.
All right, GMG.
GMG. Then Coral Roses.
All right, we're putting it all in there. You all got that. Good
Woo!
job. Good job. We'll give it all to you. Okay. Good job. Wow, this is really cool. Let me see it again.
There you go.
No. I want it so what is this supposed to do? I wonder.
Anti-aging.
Oh, okay. It's anti-aging.
And skin repair.
Oh, very cool. Very cool. Ooh, because it's stem cell. Awesome stuff. Love that. Cool. Gonna use this. Yay.
All right.
And put it on the prize wheel. So okay, cool. Maybe we should spin a wheel, maybe? Since we didn't get to like kind of last week.
All right, so yeah, let's spin a wheel. Who would like us to spin a wheel? Just let us know. I mean, maybe they don't want to spin a wheel.
Maybe they don't.
Maybe they don't want to win a prize.
Maybe they're just here for the deals.
Maybe that's just it. I mean, if you guys really want to spin a wheel, then just speak up. Let us know that you want to win.
Jovan, spin!
Jovan says spin.
Eva, am I on the wheel? Yes, Eva, you're on the wheel.